Assalamu alaikum. Today I am presenting the topic of biometric authentication, advancing security with unique human characteristics. My introduction is registration number 25, name Laiba Parvez, section Computer Science 6A. Biometric authentication. Biometric authentication is a security process that relies on the unique biological characteristics of individuals to verify who they are. It compares physical or behavioral traits to store confirmed authentic data in a database. In an increasingly digital world, ensuring secure access to sensitive information and personal data is of utmost importance. Traditional authentication methods such as passwords and PINs are no longer sufficient in providing robust security. Biometric authentication has emerged as a powerful solution, leveraging unique human characteristics to verify, identify, and enhance security. Basically, it was dependent a person's physiological or behavioral characteristics. Now we have what is biometric system. Biometric authentication utilizes distinctive physical or behavioral traits of individuals to verify their identity. Biometric systems are using personal characteristics directly linked to who they are. To authenticate or identify a person, a system collects biometric characteristics unique to every person. These biometric characteristics are then directly linked to verify or identify the individuals. Here we have two types of biometric authentication: physiological and behavioral. In physiological, we have three types: iris recognition, fingerprint recognition, and facial recognition. Fingerprint recognition. In fingerprint recognition, we have fingerprint recognition is one form of biometrics, a science which uses people's physical or biological characteristics to identify them. No two people have the same fingerprint, not even identical twins. Fingerprint recognition is the process of the verification of a person's identity by comparing their fingerprints with previously recorded samples. Fingerprints are impressions of human fingers consisting of a series of ridges and grooves. So basically, you can see that the fingerprint example, we have that the individual person in this whole world have an individual fingerprints. When you can want to access or to your system to others, that time you can only use to your fingerprint. Otherwise, this device cannot work properly or cannot be open to system, it cannot work. And the other is iris recognition. The iris is the colored circular segment at the front of the eye that contains the pupil at its center. Iris recognition is an automated method of biometric identification that uses mathematical pattern recognition technique on video images of one or both of the irises of an individual's eye. So in iris recognition, the example of iris recognition is, you can see the diagram. Iris recognition is scanning measurement work to your eye in the color part, like what is your eye color. So the system work in your eye color, and when capture to your eye, the team just capture your eye color, and then when you can want to match the time, you also match in your color part in the eye. Next we have facial recognition. Facial recognition is a way of identifying or confirming an individual's identity using their face. Facial recognition system can be used to identify people in photos, videos, or in real time. Facial recognition is heavily utilized by social media companies and app developers in some clever and convenient ways. Facebook was one of the early adopters, utilizing facial recognition to identify Facebook users in photos that were uploaded and shared. It means at first it captures your image, then find face in image, other one extract feature. This new feature extract and for compare templates, that's been here the feature compare. When falsely kept, you can capture image for this biometric system. Now the other type is behavior biometric authentication. Okay, in behavior biometric authentication, we have a lot of things like signature of the person, our pattern of signature आ जाता है, then voice pattern आ जाते हैं, our accent, etc. ठीक है. Here example of Biometric authentication is voice recognition. Voice or speaker recognition is the ability of a machine or program to receive and interpret dictation or to understand or perform spoken commands. Voice recognition has gained prominence and use with the rise of artificial intelligence and intelligent assistants such as Amazon's Alexa and Apple Siri. A person's voice, the way they sound when they speak, is the result of combination of distinctive physical attributes and distinctive behavior attributes. Advantages, it enhances biometric authentication, enhances security, it is convenient, it reduces fraud, it has scalability. Applications of biometric authentication. Biometric authentication finds application in a wide range of sectors like finance. In finance institution, biometrics offers secure access to bank accounts and facilitates secure transactions. Healthcare. In healthcare, it ensures accurate patient identification and helps safeguard electronic health records. Government agencies utilize biometrics for border control, identification cards, and vote registration. Mobile devices. Biometric authentication is integrated into mobile devices for unlocking smartphones, authorizing payments, and securing personal data. ठीक है. Finance, healthcare, government, and mobile devices. These are very important for us. If any circumstances to loses to this system data, the team may be suffered too highly. So for that reason, we need the biometric system. And the next is advancement. Advancement in the biometric authentication technology have expanded its capabilities and improved its accuracy. Machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms enable faster and more precise identification, even in complex and challenging scenarios. Mobile biometrics have come from prevalent with devices incorporating fingerprint scanner, facial recognition, and even iris scanners. Now we have in conclusion, biometric authentication is revolutionizing security measures by leveraging unique human characteristics for reliable and secure identification. From fingerprints to facial features or biological traits provide a robust and convenient way to verify identifying various applications. As technology advances and adoption increases, biometric authentication will continue to play a vital role in protecting sensitive information, securing transaction, and ensuring data privacy. So that was the conclusion of biometric conclusion.